Hi, it's Kerry. There's lots of animals and fun on the farm today. Sarah's been growing some vegetables, but the kangaroos find them and get in there. The first animals to arrive are the Appaloosa horses. There's a stallion, a mare and a foal. The Appaloosa is an American horse breed best known for its colourful spotted coat pattern. Sarah always has a treat in her pocket for the foal. The Appaloosa has been named the official state horse of Idaho. It is best known as a stock horse used in a number of Western riding disciplines. It's time to feed the horses. Some Appaloosas have a solid colour, except for a white patch over the hips, interspersed with small round spots of the same colour as the body. Next up is the vegetable garden and a fence to help protect it from the animals. I'm going to make a pond first, 2 pieces of paper and then my glass dish, some plants for the pond and of course some water. We've got geese and ducks today. It's time to build a fence. This is for all the sheep and goats that are on their way here. This is the little lamb that escapes the pen. And a goat kid. 2 goats. And then another pygmy goat and 3 sheep. I'm going to bring a rock in for the goats. Matt's going to bring some feed in for the sheep and goats. I'm going to feed the sheep first and then the goats. And here's some nice fresh grass and plants. The lamb's tired, but then it decides to have an adventure. Sam, my sheepdog, notices the lamb and barks to get Sarah over. Sarah gives the lamb a big hug and takes it back to its mother. Sarah calls Sam for his dinner. A job well done. Sarah's distracted. She can see some animals near the vegetable garden. The kangaroos have got into the vegetables. was replanting some of her vegetables and giving them a good watering. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.